Add your own exercise, modify loading schemes, create preset workout template, click Settings, open the Exercise Setting tab, and access the different options. The first tab includes all the search options that you can use to categorize and search for exercises. Category, equipment, level, period of the year. To add a new item, it's very easy. You click the little green cross, enter the text, and save. To open the list of all the exercises available in your system, click this tab, and then you'll be able to see all the exercises. That's the exercise library. You can search exercise by category, level, equipment, and so on by simply typing the name of the exercise or the appropriate option here. So if you, for example, if you want to retrieve all the squat exercise, simply type in squats, and with barbell, enter a comma and enter the second text here. Automatically the system will retrieve all the exercises that are matched. Adding exercise is very simple. Simply go at the bottom of the list, click the little plus, enter the exercise name, select the type of exercise, select the exercise summary layout. If you want to record the weight used to perform the entire set, select multiple reps. If you want to record the weight used to perform each repetition, select single rep. This is also a great option to track superset and speed training sessions. For example, if you want to track 100 meters and you want to record the seconds that it took to cover the 100 meters, then you select single reps. And then the athlete will see each rep of 100 meter along with the little box to enter the time spent or needed to run or sprint over the distance. Then select the unit. The first list is the volume unit. So if it's a strength exercise, usually it's tracked in reps, so number of reps. That's the intensity. So here you can use percentage of 1 RM. It could be repetition maximum, for example, if it's a strength exercise. And this is the intensity unit reported by the athlete. So if you want the athlete to report kilos, you select kilos. If you want them to report pounds, you can report pounds. If it's a speed exercise, you want to track, let's say, 100 meters, you select reps. Then here you can set seconds, or you can set percent of maximum, for example, maximum speed. And here you can select seconds. And in this case, the intensity will be prescribed with those two elements, and the athlete will be able to report seconds. If you'd like athlete monitoring to automatically predict one repetition maximum during the strength training session, select this button. Automatically, when the athletes report less than 5 or less repetitions, the system will automatically calculate the 1 RM and plot it on a graph, so you can track it visually. Then select the different filters and search tags, so the body area, category, equipment needed, level, period. And also you can add additional information, place a link to a video, so the athlete will be able to see the video right into their app. And also, if you prefer, you can also upload your own picture. To create programs, of course, you need exercises, but also you need loading schemes that you can use to predefine loading dynamic and use them based on your training goals. So on this tab here, little calendar, you can open the loading schemes. So those loading scheme, you can add as many as you need. And to do that, that's very simple. You click the little plus, you enter the loading scheme. So it's going to be, let's say, hypertrophy preseason. For example, use only during select program type. So you select the type of exercise that will be mainly affected. So certain reps. Select a period. This will just simplify the search for loading schemes later on. And then you can start adding your dynamic for week 1 here. So let's say we'll be doing 12 sets at so 70% of maximum, 2 minutes rest, tempo 1, for example. You can add a new set. And then once you're happy with that, then you can add an additional week. Automatically, athlete monitoring will copy what you have created for the week before. And so you can just make the little changes here to set up your entire loading scheme for multi-week training programs. So once you're done, you save. Of course, you can add as many as you want, and that could be used for strength training, of course, but also for plyometric exercises or for interval training exercises. You just define the right parameter you want to use for the entire period of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 weeks, 12 weeks if you like, and then you save that. Now you are ready to create workout templates. Workout templates are basically mini programs that you can call quickly when creating your planning your sessions. So this is still in settings here, exercise settings, workout templates. For example, if I open this one, this is my workout template. That's the name of the template. That's the sport or the activity. So if I work with a group with multiple sports, they can select a specific sport. So this workout template will only be visible to the football teams. If I just work with one group, then you can select all the sport. Or if you want this template to be accessible to everyone in your organization, then you can just select all the sports. If you select a specific sport, you can also select the activity. This will just make the planning phase, the planning process a little bit quicker. But you can also predefine those elements. You define the duration of the workout, the difficulty or the planned difficulty of the workout. You can also over there enter the warm-up. Once you have your warm-up incorporated, then you can just create your exercises or enter your exercises. So if it's the first exercise, then you can just click on it. Automatically, the exercise will go at the bottom of the list or will be in your program. If you have if you already have one exercise, then you can just click on this and then drag and drop right below. And you can also reorder exercise by drag and dropping the block. Now, over there, we have our program. So we decide to put the 400-meter run in this exercise. So that's too much. So that's going to be some cardio, basically, or area. What we have here, we have incorporated our exercise. Now, to apply a loading scheme, that's very simple. To this exercise, I select the loading scheme here, and I select my loading scheme. Automatically, everything will be there. So if I create a new exercise, so I just add a new exercise. Let's say I'm going to be adding a jump exercise, a jump squat. Put the jump squat here, and then I select the loading scheme, plyometrics. Automatically, the loading scheme I have planned before for plyometrics will be there. So of course, I can modify it as much as I need, fine tune it, and save the form. If you want to create a new one, it's very simple. You go at the bottom of the list, you click the little plus, you enter the name, new, all sports. It's going to be, let's say, an hour, somewhat hard. And then I can also use a preset workout that I created before. So let's say I'm be using this one. I click on it. Automatically, everything I've planned for the multi-week and everything is there. So I can still do some changes, fine-tune it, apply another loading scheme if I want, It's easy. When I'm happy, I save the form.